Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is Money Close with Mercy. And so guys, I want you to look at this thing right here. And so guys, this is basically what we are going to do for us to execute our trades. So guys, this is a very brand new indicator by LuxAlgo called the Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit. And so guys, you can see right now, price is basically on the level working on real time and it is not repainting, guys. So we're going to actually see how it is actually behaving on live market and seeing how, guys, we can be able to execute our trades using this indicator. As you can see, we have the Fibonacci tool right here. We have actually levels showing us the swing levels. We have the change of character, and this will help us execute our trades. And so guys, I know you can ask yourself, how is it done? So guys, to use this indicator, basically I've talked much about the features of this indicator, but in this case we are going to talk about the strategy when using this indicator. Okay, and so guys, when you want to use this indicator, there is things you can never ever avoid. Number one, you have to understand the trends of the market. You have to understand the downtrend, you have to understand the uptrend, and basically as well you have to understand the ranges of the market. And this is basically what I want to show you even before we add the indicator and the settings, as we watch what is happening right here on live market. Okay, so guys, in a downtrend we expect price to create the series of lower highs and lower lows. This is what we expect most of the times. And remember guys, for a downtrend to be valid, lower highs tends to be respected and lower lows tends to be broken below. In a case where price will not respect your lower high, like for instance you see price breaking above this, that is actually a bullish change of character and there is a potential reversal that can basically take place. As well, if price happens to break your lower low, there is a potential reversal coming in. Okay, and as well guys, when we have an uptrend, we expect price to make a series of higher highs and higher lows. That is important to really know. And for an uptrend to be valid, higher highs tends to be broken above and higher lows tends to be respected. Respected means they are not broken below. Price comes to the level, reject, and it pushes to the upside, breaking above the higher high. That shows you a continuation to the upside. And when a higher high is broken, that's when we get a bullish break of structure. You understand? And so guys, if price at any given point happens to break below your higher low, that is a potential push to the downside, or rather a reversal can basically take place. And this is basically what this indicator is talking about. I'm going now to show you more about this indicator. The only thing you really have to do, guys, is sticking here till the end so that you can understand each and every concept. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let me show you how you can add the indicator. You're going to go directly on indicators tab in tradingview.com. Then under technicals, guys, you're just going to type Fibonacci Confluence, this one right here by LuxAlgo Fibonacci Confluence Toolkit. You click on it. Once you click on it, guys, it will appear like this right on your chart. But basically, if you click it yourself, you're not going to see the indicators we do right now. And that's why I want you to go directly on settings right here. Once you go on settings, guys, you're going to ensure the bullish and the bearish structures are actually activated. Area of interest, make sure you enable it. It's very important. Make sure you actually choose the change of character solid, okay, so that you can see it, guys. You can choose to be dashed, dotted, but for me I really want it to be solid. You can choose the width, whichever you want to use. If you want the width to be 2, you can keep on adjusting, but for me I'm gonna use 2 in this case. And so guys, now this takes us to the Fibonacci retracement levels. You can activate the levels that you need to see. Personally, 0 is important, 0.382 activate it, 0.618 activate, 0.786 activate it, activate the 0.5, and as well activate 1. That will basically help us really know the market. The swing levels that you see right here, guys, make sure if you want to see the high and the lows, it is important, and I would love you to actually activate the high and lows because you're going to understand these are higher high, these are higher low. That is what we call the swing levels. Okay, and therefore guys, you can continue with the settings right here. And engulfing candlestick pattern, it is important, make it it structured, and as well you can choose it to be large as well. Okay, so all these settings are going to work best for you. Once you do like that, guys, click on OK. This is basically what you're going to see. And so guys, I've talked much about what you expect on higher highs and higher lows, and basically guys, most traders, because I really want you to understand about this, the Fibonacci retracement levels you see right here, the indicator basically shows us where to expect a pullback. So if the market really rose, it got you to a higher high, you know, we expect a pullback so that the market can create a higher low, and that's why you can see this market trying to push up to the upside, because there was a creation of a higher low right here. There is actually price rejecting these retracement levels, closing above, and that's why you can see this is a push to the upside. When it gets to a higher high that was actually created on real time and it is not repenting, guys, you can see price is definitely trying to push. That is what I want you guys to put in mind, or rather to keep in mind anytime that you want to execute your trades using this indicator. Change of character, they are very, very important, I tell you that, but not most of the times they are followed. There can be a false change of character. In this case right here, when you see any bullish or bearish change of character, ensure that candlestick are showing you the direction. In this case, it is broken above, candlestick actually respecting it, and it is a push to the upside. Do you understand? And therefore, guys, there is instances where you will not see a retracement tool in any of the levels that you have, because this indicator works hard to show you potential levels in the market where reaction is basically expected. And so, guys, if you can look like now right here, we have a lower low. Having a lower low, I told you, for a downtrend to be valid, it has to be broken below. But in this case, guys, it was not broken below. You can see price got to this level and it pushes to the upside. We got a lower high where by now we expect price to respect the lower high and wait for it to drop to the downside. But in this case, guys, it was not respected. Instead, price pushes to the upside. If you use the extra knowledge you have, like break of structure right there, you can basically be able to make all this money within the shortest period of time. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use this indicator by LuxAlgo. Kindly use what I've told you before, using the extra knowledge, and as well paying attention on where candlesticks are closing and breaking up to. Not necessarily taking a sell order because you are on your lower high. Oh no, a reversal can happen. Not necessarily selling because there is a lower low as well. This can basically do what? Disappoint you. So that is what you're supposed to know, the trend when using this indicator. And I really love the fact that, guys, we're seeing right on real time. You're seeing this, guys, what is happening right now on live market. The market is basically trying to push the upside simply because we waited for a pullback that came back to a retracement level. We waited for retracements, guys, and you can see after retracement, you can see price is now showing you potential push to the upside. You can use this indicator when it comes to scalping and day trading, and it's basically going to work for you perfectly if you use it the way I've shown you right now. Okay, so guys, let me hope this video added some value to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well. And so, guys, I will leave at this point. Bye bye. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye, guys.